Hello, tech adventurers and spirit connoisseurs. Welcome to another exciting episode of the Gadget Rum Club podcast. I'm your host, Focus Dan, ready to guide you through a world where technology meets the human mind. Gaming leaps to new heights, and rum tells a story of its own. First up, we're diving into a groundbreaking article from SciTechDaily. It's called Rethinking Evolution, the surprising truth about newborn brain development. Prepare to be amazed as we explore how newborns might be wired for brilliance from day one. Then, we'll shift gears to the gaming universe with the Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra Controller. This isn't just a gadget, it's a game changer, setting new standards in the world of interactive play. And for our finale, a voyage into the depths of flavor with Kraken Black Spiced Rum. We're sipping our way through its complex blend of spices and uncovering the spirits behind this legendary brew. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting journey together on the Gadget Rum Club podcast. And now, from the immersive world of our introduction, let's delve deeper into the fascinating realm of early human development. Today's featured article from SciTechDaily.com is called Rethinking Evolution, the surprising truth about newborn brain development. This article sheds light on the incredible capabilities of the newborn brain. Are we underestimating the neural power of our youngest humans? Let's explore this cutting-edge research that's redefining our understanding of how and when we start learning. This is more than just news. It's a glimpse into the future of human potential. In a groundbreaking revelation, SciTechDaily.com's article, Rethinking Evolution, uncovers a startling truth about newborns. Researchers have discovered that babies begin forming complex neural connections far earlier than previously thought. This breakthrough challenges long-held beliefs about early brain development and opens up a new frontier in understanding infant learning. Contrary to the old notion that newborns are passive in their early days, this study suggests they are actively engaging with their surroundings. This early neural activity lays the groundwork for cognitive development, painting a picture of a highly responsive and adaptive newborn brain. The research underscores the critical role of sensory experiences in shaping a newborn's cognitive abilities. The first few months of life, rich in sensory interactions, are not just periods of physical growth, but also critical times for mental and cognitive development. Beyond cognitive skills, early brain stimulation significantly impacts emotional and social development. The article suggests that the interactions and experiences in these formative years are vital in shaping a child's emotional intelligence and ability to socialize. To sum up, this SciTechDaily.com article shifts the paradigm on how we view and support newborn development. It calls for a reevaluation of our approaches to early childhood education, parenting, and the design of infant learning environments, recognizing the profound capabilities and needs of the newborn brain. From the fascinating world of newborn brain development, let's pivot to something equally captivating but in a different realm. We're about to explore a cutting-edge gadget that's changing the game in interactive technology. Get ready to dive into our review of the Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra Controller, a gadget that's not just a tool for gamers, but a glimpse into the future of gaming technology. Stay tuned as we uncover what makes this controller a must-have for gaming enthusiasts. In today's Gadget Spotlight, we have the Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra Controller, a marvel in gaming technology. Redefining the gaming experience, this controller offers unparalleled freedom and customization for gamers. It's not just a tool, it's a gateway to an immersive gaming universe. A standout feature is the dynamic full-color command display dashboard. This innovative addition keeps you connected with social media notifications and allows extensive settings adjustments right on the controller. It enables saving up to 10 profiles, including customizations for button mapping, dead zones, axis response modes, vibration intensity, audio enhancements, and RGB lighting. The controller also boasts a proprietary lag-free 2.4 GHz wireless connection, along with built-in Bluetooth technology, liberating gamers from the tangle of wires. Impressively, its low-profile charge dock promises up to 30 hours of wireless gameplay and recharges fully in just 2 hours with USB 3.0 high-speed charging, ensuring you're always ready for action. Furthermore, the controller is equipped with a short-travel tactile microswitch rated at 5 million clicks, used for the D-pad, ABXY cluster, mappable buttons, and bumper buttons. These switches provide faster, more reliable responses and extend the controller's life, ensuring durability and precision in high-stakes gaming moments. To sum up, the Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra Controller is a game-changing gadget that brings wireless freedom, customizable controls, and enhanced durability to the gaming experience. It's a perfect blend of technology and design, setting a new benchmark for what a gaming controller can be. Having explored the high-tech world of the Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra Controller, let's shift gears to something that tantalizes a different sense. We're moving from the realm of gaming innovation to the rich and flavorful domains of fine spirits. Up next is our rum review segment, where today we'll be savoring the complexities and unique character of Kraken Black Spiced Rum. Prepare your palate for an exploration of this legendary rum that's as deep and mysterious as the sea creature it's named after. Let's set sail on a different kind of adventure with our next segment. Today we're reviewing the Kraken Black Spiced Rum, a unique spirit that's as mysterious as the sea creature it's named after. With its striking sea creature label and deep black as coffee liquid, it makes an unforgettable impression both on the bar and in the glass. The Kraken is not just about its bold appearance. Its flavor profile is a monstrous hit of rich chocolate and molasses, seamlessly blended with traditional Christmas spices like cinnamon, allspice, cloves, and a hint of ginger. The vanilla notes are prominent in the finish, creating a well-rounded and impactful taste experience. At 94 proof, the Kraken packs a powerful punch. It's robust enough to be enjoyed neat, though a bit of water can open up its flavors for a smoother sipping experience. It also pairs well with standard mixers, making it a versatile choice for both classic and inventive cocktails. The Kraken Rum, distilled in Trinidad and Tobago, brings a unique Caribbean flair to its formulation. The blend of spices of the aging process contribute to its deep, dark color and rich flavor, making it stand out in the crowded world of spiced rums. In summary, the Kraken Black Spiced Rum is a treasure for spiced rum enthusiasts. Its striking visual appeal, rich flavor profile, and versatile strength make it a must-try. Whether you're a rum aficionado or just looking to explore new spirits, the Kraken promises an adventure worth taking. As we draw the curtains on today's episode, journeying from the incredible revelations about newborn brain development to the gaming highs with the Turtle Beach Stealth Ultra Controller, and finally savoring the deep, mysterious flavors of Kraken Black Spiced Rum, it's clear we've navigated through a sea of remarkable discoveries. We've dived into the depths of science, soared through the skies of technology, and sailed the spiced seas of fine rum. It's been a voyage like no other, and I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. Before we drop anchor and say goodbye, a quick reminder. If you love today's journey through the Gadget Rum Club podcast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is the wind in our sails, helping us journey further and dive deeper into more thrilling adventures. Signing off, this is Focus Dan, your captain on this tech odyssey, reminding you that in the vast ocean of technology, there's always a new island of knowledge to explore. Stay curious, keep exploring, and of course, keep your gadgets charged and your rum glasses ready. Until next time, may your tech be cutting edge and your spirits high. This is the Gadget Rum Club podcast.